Hi, Liliani here from Sport Mitsubishi. Did you know that the brakes and the brake system on your vehicle should be checked every 15,000 miles? If you begin to feel any difference in how your brakes feel, don't wait. Our technicians here at Sport Mitsubishi can tell if it's as simple as adding brake fluid or if you need additional repairs. Usually, a soft brake pedal means you need brake fluid, as you could have a fluid leak. But if your brakes are making a noise, then you should have the new brake pads installed. If you wait too long, you will need more extensive brake work, such as brake rotor replacement or even new brake calipers. Your brakes are vital and can mean the difference between stopping in time or not, and potentially causing serious damage to the car in front of you. Brake work is a way better option over hiring a lawyer resulting from your failed brakes.